How to make radio button in Figma like this. So firstly, we want to create some ellipse. You can click here on shapes and select ellipse and create one. I'm gonna make it as simple as possible. Also copy this, paste this, and make this smaller. So reduce it, for example 12. Change the color of the small one. I'm gonna add stroke to the bigger one, and also I'm gonna change the fill color to white. And now grab this ellipse and fit it to the middle of the bigger one. Now select both, right click and group selection. Now if you grab it, it's moving together. Now I want to create text, so click on T or text down here, and you can type here, for example, option. It's pretty simple one, and select two options, right click and click add auto layout. And now you can customize it like you want. You can make it bigger, smaller. So it's gonna be like this. Make sure to select your object, right click and click create component. And now we want to add variant in right upper corner area like this, and also click plus to add another one. For the first variant, we want to remove this middle ellipse. For the second one, I want to add selection color. So select the second variant, go to fill, add filament, and add some color. And I want to reduce opacity here. This is gonna be selection color. And the third variant, I'm gonna change the whole color of it. So go to selection colors, you can change it here. I'm gonna change it to red color. Now go to prototype in right upper corner area, and here select the first option, click this little plus and grab it and slide it to the second variant. And here select trigger and while hovering, change to the second variant, and you can select the animation. I'm gonna select simple, smart animate, and gentle. You can preview it here. Now you can close this. Sorry, I want to remove this middle ellipse. So it's gonna be visible like this while hovering. Double click the second variant and connect it to the third option or the third variant, and on click, change to third variant and smart animate. You can close this. So let me go to assets, grab your option on the right. And if we click on play button in right upper corner area, you can actually try it. So it's like this. If we hover our mouse on option, it's like this. And if we click that, it's gonna be changed and marked. So these are the basics. You can play with it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.